Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's severe weather update. So we have a very unusual severe weather risk to talk about today as the Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk of severe weather for western Washington and Oregon in the yellow shade area today, from Seattle down through Portland down through Eugene, with marginal risk covering most of Washington, Oregon into western Idaho as well. And taking a look at our probabilities of seeing a tornado touch down within 25 miles of a location today, we have a 5% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location today across southwestern Washington state and northwestern Oregon in this brown shade area centered around Portland, with a 2% chance in the green area extending up through Seattle. So we could be seeing a couple of tornadoes today up across the Pacific Northwest, which is very unusual, especially for late March. Taking a look at our damaging wind threat, we have a 5% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour stronger within 25 miles of a location across areas like Seattle, Portland, Eugene, Medford, Pendleton, Spokane, and into Boise, Idaho. And then taking a look at our large hail threat, I don't think I've ever seen a hail threat like this before. We have a 15 hatch risk for hail up through western Washington state and Oregon between Eugene, Portland, and Seattle, which means you could be seeing hail up to golf ball to tennis ball size this afternoon from these storms. So make sure, if you are able, to park your cars in the garage if you live anywhere across areas of northwestern Oregon and southwestern Washington state this afternoon. Timing out our storms. Storms will initiate around 4 o'clock Pacific time across west central Oregon, southeast of Portland, and then going into 5 o'clock, could be seeing a line of semi-discrete supercells across western areas of Oregon, just west of the Cascades, moving to the north-northeast, and then going up into 6 o'clock, could be seeing numerous supercells just south of Seattle, Washington, around Vancouver and Portland. And this is where we could be seeing a couple of our spin up tornadoes as we go into 4, 5, 6 o'clock this afternoon with our semi discrete cells, as well as our very large hail, up to golf ball, potentially tennis ball size. Going into 7 o'clock, very heavy storms moving just south of Tacoma. Could be seeing hail up to golf ball to tennis ball size with these kind of supercells. Also, a tornado is possible, as we are seeing some hooking on these supercells just southwest of Tacoma going into 7 p.m. And then going into 8, these storms will move through Seattle more in a line, so more of a damaging wind threat. Maybe also some large hail, maybe an embedded tornado or two in the Seattle metro area going into 7 to 8 p.m. this evening. And then going to 9 and 10 o'clock, our tornado threat should end and we'll just be dealing with heavy rain across most of Washington state. So this is quite an unusual severe weather situation unfolding for the Pacific Northwest. Very unusual. So make sure you are preparing for scattered severe storms, a tornado or two, and isolated to scattered very large hail if you live across areas like Eugene, through Portland, up through Seattle. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.